Bush in a gray coupe, I'm fever like Dre Deuce. Look, he wanna see me in Prada, but I be sticking to these jelly shoes. Head braided with 1,000 beads. Mama sitting on the porch, feeling like got the gown up a fever bango with apple juice. Throw up a deuce. Shake that S-H-A to the W-double-N-A. Real don't play.
Motherfucking smack. Head bust in the motherfucking buildings. You got this bitch on. This bitch running right now. Smack, I've been watching the DVD in the motherfucking bus, right? I ain't really see no bitches on that motherfucker. And if I did, I must have been paying attention to that motherfucker. So what I'm trying to say is, y'all gonna have to catch me a little bit later and tell y'all why my motto is, these ain't girl raps. You feel me? What did I say? I said, these ain't girl raps. You feel me? Head bust motherfuckers in the building. Smack. Y'all don't know nothing about Shauna. Y'all need to come to Chicago and really see how I do it in my motherfucking hood. Fuck the Peach State, the Georgia Peach. South side. We can take it out to the west side. We can go up north side. We can take it out east with the Batos. Whatever you want to do, my nigga. That's my city. It's a lot of shit in the streets right now. I mean, I got Worth the Wait finna hit y'all real soon. We just shot the video for Shake That Shit, featuring Ludacris. Timberland did it real big. I got some mixtape shit going around right now. I got pretty much every female in the game right now riding with me. So gone with that beef shit you trying to start it. You feel me? We doing it way big like that. We ain't got time for that shit. We trying to go at niggas now. Fuck going at the bitches. I go at a stud. What? On my mama, and Big Jeff and Shaka Zulu got the paper. On my mama, it's on camera, on Smack TV. Any one of you motherfuckers wanna come and test me, put the money on the wood, it ain't good. I got a couple of shorties at the crib that's spitting that motherfucking heat. I'm trying to get a couple of them shorties popping. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get the fire under DTP ass, cause you know they comfortable with this Ludacris shit. They comfortable with this chingy shit. You know what I'm saying? Me and 20, you know, we the streets. Y'all gotta put us out now. You know what I'm saying? Y'all need to solidify y'all hood effort in the game, you know what I mean? Put me and 20 out right now. Self-explanatory coming at you in your motherfucking face right now. My man 20 couldn't be at the video shoot right now because he being productive. He in Memphis, you know what I'm saying? Rocking that bitch. Just did St. Louis, rock that bitch. He said 666 came out on the motherfucking stage with him. Rock that bitch. I mean, it's time for some new faces in the game. And that's what y'all got right here. And without, you know what I'm saying, without talking a whole lot of bullshit and all that hoo-ha, come see by the bitch. Come get in my face. My mom come get in my face, nigga. Everybody at Smack Magazine that fuck with me, I fucks with you too, fam. Make yourself known when you see me in the street, cause it's love like that. You know what I'm saying? I need shit like that. It's the straight up in your face type of shit. Let a motherfucker say exactly what the fuck they wanna say. Not all that watch your cursing and watch your language and watch what you saying. We just gonna specifically ask you these questions. Fuck that. It's new peoples in the system, and we ain't going for that fuck shit. We picking victims. You see them 20s on that truck, trip them bitches sickening, and we ain't giving out no duck sick, you must be tripping. I be that block bitch, boss of this cartel. You getting nauseous cause my rocks make your eyes swell. You wanna fuck, you see that wop in my oxtail. I'm fucking niggas up from Boston to Scottsdale, Slauson to Rockwell. I shall be heard. Alright man,
Smack Magazine,
rushing me the fuck out of here. Smack Magazine, work the motherfucking way. What's up? What's up?
Yeah, we good. They doing us dirty right now, but we
I be that bitch in the all black, tinted out El Dorado. Ain't nobody fucking with me, dog. It's my Chicago. When you see me in the club, me mug get bottled. That's that with me to your face, kid, gully soprano. Ain't nobody fucking with the streets like I do. And I'm probably sipping Remy in that Hypno too. And I'm kinda tired of hearing about what this bitch gon' do. Cause if she poppin' with a fam, they could get some too. I know you heard about them bitches from the golden gutter. Fuck a sack chaser, mommy got that draw and that butter. Poppy hit me for the low, I'm out in Philly with Tutter. Where that sticky be so fire, make you talk with a stutter. Like, push it, please, let her get one more. I got 4 niggas in the breeze standing at my door. It's like 1, 2, 3 reaching at my 4. Cause if I squeeze, nigga, that's how it go. You know?
Once again, it's official, like a referee with a whistle. You know how it's going down, all the way to Chi-Town. I'm talking about Shauna, the coldest chick on the mic. That's right, the one that you like.
Shauna kick hot shit for bitches that got their baby daddies locked in the pen gone. Finna rock cause they did wrong, running from the cops and he hit him with the Glock, left his wig gone. Selling rock on the flip phone in the projects, niggas running from your set for the take out. Do you wet with your chest out, killing niggas, running niggas, have a nigga, feeling nigga, running nigga, drilling nigga, fucking with a villain, now the spilling nigga, fuck that.
The name of the album is Worth the Wait. That's right, Worth the Wait. In stores in August, Shauna, disturbing the peace. I hope you ready for how it's going down. The first single, Shake That Shit, produced by Timbaland, requested on your favorite video channel, and get it on.